So guys, we're at Tortilla Flats right now. And we're riding deep with a guy who tracks his car and built it for this application. And then we're riding with our boy in the Mustang, and then his brother who is in the BMW. And then we have a Miata right behind us as well who's running with us. You guys gotta, you really gotta be careful out here. The biggest thing is to not be, danger to other people who are coming up and down the mountain, and to just be careful through the entire thing, We're having a good time, but at the same time, you have to be safe. You have to be completely safe with everything, So with that being said, the car's doing really good. It sounds good. Hopefully the sound clips are really good for you guys. But, hopefully the sound clips are really good for you guys, but I have small tires on the front, so it's not really gripping the way that I want it to, but we're still having a good time out here. We're still trailing behind this M4, so and we're doing an okay job, stock suspension, stock everything, so well, whatever, M Sport suspension, but hopefully the video is okay. Hopefully you guys can kind of see everything that's going on. I know that the camera it's dark outside, there's no lights out here in the canyon, but so far it's a pretty good run. George has never been to Tortilla Flats, so how do you like it so far?
You can't see me, but I'm definitely having a good time. It's been really fun, especially meeting some people out here and
I feel like
having a good time.
I feel like we've had a better conversation with people out here that just meet up and drive the canyons.
Yeah, for sure.
Better than we have like at paths or anything like that.
Yeah.
At least today.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's been a good time. It's only 9:46 too. I thought it was way later than that.
Yeah.
So
we did see a couple meteors. I think I saw 3. Josh saw 1.
The stars was fucking out here.
Yeah,
crazy,
the stars.
Huh?
Oh my God, the stars are amazing.
That's what happens when you don't have the city lights, right?
Exactly.
So car right now is sitting at about 230 on the temp, doing really well on temps, and yeah, hopefully you guys just enjoy the cruise, enjoy the driving. So
roll the clip.
Let's go. Holy shit. I think if I had a bigger tire, I could keep up with these guys. Yeah. That's dangerous right there. I think if I had a way bigger tire, I thought that was a cop.
if it's yours or if it's his.
No, it's mine. I think it's mine.
Oh,
We
dude,
lost the M4.
This looks so cool in the camera, that bridge.
Does it?
Yeah, dude.
I can feel it. Look, I can feel it.
Yeah.
You can feel it stop.
Uh-huh.
So let's get off of it for a little bit.
Yeah, let them cool.
Well, you know what that means. I need. Jesus Christ. It feels planted though, right?
Oh
Like
my
it's
God.
not sketchy.
It's, dude, it's like,
goes.
yeah. It just wants to stick to the ground. Like, it's like, I belong on the ground. Keep me on the ground.
Yeah. Great, I love this thing. I've had a lot of different chassis I've gone through, and this is just, nothing really matches it.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
That was some crazy driving. I had too much fun on the Tortilla Flats roads with Fahad and his brother in the M4. Appreciate you inviting me and George to come out and just drive with you guys. It was a really fun time. We met a guy with an S2K out there who has like a super crazy serious like track oriented build, and he took George for a ride, and it was pretty gnarly. That guy led us. Like, we ended up pulling off to the side of the road and meeting up with a bunch of cars, and he's the one who ended up like leading us up into a part of Tortilla Flats I'd never even been to. So that was really cool. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like down below and comment how bad I am at driving. But anyways, I'm out on this one. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video.